That's right. The video is finally here. I got 6 boxes, Sneakers app, StockX, and I kind of picked up a surprise. I usually don't rock these type of shoes, but I don't know. I just want to see what all the fuss is about. But anyways, finally I am doing the video of the Hypebeast collection unboxing. So I got 6 pairs of shoes, and we're about to unbox these fires and see what I got. Yeah, this is pretty much all of month of September, which I am still waiting for more shoes from September to come in. And then I got October. I got some fire that I'm buying. These right here are fire as well. Plus what I got here in my collection, downstairs in my closet, all my shoes straight fire. I got shoes you won't believe I have. So, you know, I wanted to give the fans, the subscribers, what they wanted to see. A Hypebeast video. So we're going to do the biggest ever Hypebeast unboxing on my channel. And normally I don't do these type of videos, but you know what? I got to give y'all what y'all want. So let me go ahead and put these boxes to the side, and then we start opening them up. So I got 6 boxes. I'm not going to open them in any particular order. I think I'm just going to randomize it. I think I want to save this one second to the last because you're in for a shocker. But first, you know, 6 boxes. I'm going to go ahead and open this box, see what we have. So I got the blade. And man, I already know what's in these boxes. Y'all don't know until you watch this whole video. So, first box, already straight off the bat, matte black. It's a Nike box. You got the swoosh. So, let's go ahead and take this bad boy out of the box. Oh, Nike. So, let's get rid of this box. And, oh, damn. Some fire. I got some fire right here. Let me open this up. StockX. I wasn't able to get them on Sneakers app because I took an L. I'm not gonna lie, I took an L. Occasionally I'll take an L on the Sneakers app, but I went to StockX before these prices went up. So the shoe in this box is the Racer Pink Presto's acronym. I had to pick these up. These are straight fire, and if you don't agree with me, deuces. But anyways, I've been keeping an eye on these Presto's acronym. I failed last year to pick some up, and I said to myself, this is my year to pick a pair or 2. But luckily, I did manage to get 2. I don't know if it's going to be in this set, but I'll do another unboxing video. So if you want me to do more unboxing videos of my Hypebeast collection that I get, hit that thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. I have to say, this is probably one of my favorite shoes. These are clean. These are dope. These are sick. I don't know if you can see it there, and I did get them at StockX, authentic. So yeah, let's move on to the next pair. Let's get rolling to the next box, and I'm not sure what's in this one. So like I said, I got quite a few shoes coming in. I just don't know which ones got shipped or which ones got what. I know some shipped already, and I still haven't received them. But I said, let's go ahead and knock these videos out and, you know, show everyone what I got. Bubble wrap, and oh shit, Nike. Another matte black box. And if you're looking at this box, maybe some of your Hypebeast boys will know what this is, or Hypebeast girls. Get rid of that box. Let's go ahead and open this one. I don't think these released in the United States yet. Yep, I figured these were it. These are the Air Max 97. If I can get the box out. Oh, StockX as usual. Air Max 97 Never Sleep on Tour Skeptus. Right there. You got like the TV blurry background. You said Never Sleep on Tour. I don't know if you can see it there. You got the red. You got like the metallic gold. Kind of goldish. Silver. And of course, StockX verified. And you got the bottom, the red. Looks pretty dope. I like these. These are pretty clean. Air Max 97. So like I said, I don't know if these came out yet in the US, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. On to the next one. Next box, I think this is a Nike box. So let's go ahead and check this out. And yeah, that's a lot of shoes, a lot of money. How much do you think I spent on all these shoes? If you guessed right, comment below, let me know. And who knows, I might buy you a pair if you guess the exact number. You have about, let's say, 20 days of the posting of this video. I don't need this box. No explanation. Air Jordan. So, oh yeah, I know what these are. I know what these are. And these are the Jordan Retro 5s PSG Paris Saint-Germain or Hermine. And holy shit. Fire. Straight fire. I'm big on Jordans. I have tons of Jordans. You got the 75 logo. You got the Paris. And you got the Paris in the bottom of the shoe and the heel. Oh man, this is pretty dope. This is sweet. I took an L on this one as well in the sneakers app. And the problem with the sneakers app and any other apps like Adidas or stuff like that, you got a bunch of resellers that use these programs and bots, and it's kind of hard to compete with them because I get on my phone, I gotta enter my password. I always have to enter my password when purchasing shoes, but it's like all the bots buy them already, and it's like shit. You're out of, you're tough luck. So you gotta be pretty quick. You gotta be diligent, and this is probably one of my favorite pairs right here. Retro 5s. You got the lace locks, also StockX. Like I said, I've never bought from StockX. I started buying them because prices are good. I'm not gonna lie. If you get them early enough, if you know what you're doing, you can get these shoes pretty cheap before they skyrocket. So these are the Retro 5s Paris Saint-Germain, black, white. You get the speckled white black. You got the Paris Saint-Germain logo in the back, and yeah, StockX verified. So let's go ahead and move on to the last 3 boxes and see what we have. All right. I know what this box is, and I kind of want to save this one for last, just to prove a point. So let's go ahead and open this one since I got it in the way. Cut the tape, cut the more tape, and I'm not really sure which one these are, but oh, I know what these are now. I know what these are. I wasn't gonna pick these up, but I don't know. I got sold. I got convinced. And if you're looking at the box now, you know I got me some LeBrons. I got some Bron-Brons, some LJ. He's not Jordan, but I grew up with Jordan. That was my era, Michael Jordan. LeBron is usually y'all era. That's what y'all rock with. So I got the breads, Jordan 16 breads. For some reason, I like the color, I like the design, I like the heels and everything. It just, I don't know. I like this too. You see the line in the eyes? Looks pretty dope. So I had to pick these up. I picked these up at StockX, and like I said, I actually got these cheaper in StockX than I would have gotten them in the sneakers app. And you can still get these on the sneakers app or the NikeStore.com, or you can even go to Foot Locker and Foot Action. They still have these, which is unbelievable. I would have thought these would sell out, but I got these probably for maybe like $150 or $140, and that's already with free shipping and taxes and all that. So I kind of got a steal with these LeBron breads. So I don't know. I like these shoes. These are clean. These are pretty nice. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one and put these up. Like I said, StockX. If you want to get some shoes and you're trying to get some hard to get shoes or whatever, I'm not gonna lie, I recommend StockX. They haven't disappointed me. This isn't the only pairs I bought at StockX. I bought probably like 10, 15 pairs already from them. Now I know what this box is. I took a huge dub on this one. These sold out quickly. These sold out instantly. I'm not gonna lie. I took an L on one pair, but I damn for sure wasn't going to take an L on this pair, so I had to get this pair. Congrats on being the owner of the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Yeah, Air Jordan 1 Retro OG. So which ones are these? Check this out. Nice classic old school box. Although the box is kind of crushed right here, which is alright, right? As long as the shoes isn't damaged. Put this over there. Fudge. I'm messing up my mic and everything. Dropping my projector. Oh, shit. I'm out of control, baby. Damn. Check these out. Air Jordan 1s. Court Court purples. I didn't think I was gonna get these. I tried my shot at the pine greens and these. Hopefully I was gonna get both of them, but it's okay. I got the ones I wanted. The court purples. You get the black laces. You also get the purple laces. So I took a huge dub on this one. Court purples. It's probably one of the shoes I'm gonna rock this weekend. Also, another thing, my shoes, I got a ton that I don't wear, and some of these I just wear once. That's the only time I wear my shoes. I only wear my shoes once, and that's it. When I go out, and I gotta look good, stuff like that. But other than that, I do have my dailies, which are my Nike Vapor Maxes. But yeah, huge dub on this. Man, I love the smell of freaking brand new shoes. Damn, smells pretty good too. Nike Air Court Purples. Took a dub, a huge dub on this one. Check that out again. I don't know if you can see it right there. Court Purples, the bottom purple. Damn, I got the Barneys. I got the Grimaces. I got me some Grimace. And you know what? Let's finish this video and go into the last box. Last box is a shoe that I would never, ever, 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 ever buy. Never wear, never rock. But if I'm going to be a shoe collector, I got to start liking other things. And you know what? I've never been interested in these type of shoes. I've never liked them. And for some reason, someone said, hey, GT, you should, take a shot at getting these because you might be able to get them. Because supposedly these are difficult to get. These type of shoes are hard to pick up. So many of y'all know the Yeezys 350. I ain't gonna lie, I don't like that dude. I used to like him when his music was good back in the, college dropout days. But I don't know. I'm about to check these shoes out and see what the hype is all about. So if many of y'all know, the Yeezy 350 Boost 2s, triple whites. So that's what I got, the triple whites. So what is this hype all about? You know what? I'm gonna try one just to see. So one thing that I hear a lot is, it's like you're walking on clouds. Really? How the fudge do you know what walking on a cloud is like? So taking off my shoe, about to slap this bad boy on, and I don't see the hype about these. Why is it so hyped? I don't know. It's not really my type of shoe. It looks like I got freaking some elephant feet because they're so freaking wide. Look at that. Look at that. Oh shit, I'm about to fall down, baby. So the shoes I like to rock are my Vapor Maxes. As you can see, now these are a shoe that I highly recommend. I'm not gonna say it's like walking on clouds, but it's like walking on some pillows, walking on a mattress. These are actually comfortable shoes. They're very light. Just when you're walking and you're stepping, I don't know. I just like these shoes. I like these and the Prestos. Both of those shoes are light. They're comfortable to walk on. And I'm stepping on this Yeezy and I don't know. It's not like walking on a cloud. So all y'all mofos, y'all Hypebeasts, and all y'all are saying, it's like you're walking on a cloud. Y'all full of shit. So yeah, Yeezy 350 Boost, Adidas. I don't know. I might sell them. I might get rid of them. But you know what? This is what I'm going to do. At 200 likes, I'm going to give them away. I'm going to give these Yeezys away because I don't want them. I really don't want them. I'll collect them. But if we hit 200 likes, I'll give away a brand new pair of triple white Yeezys. So let's hit that like button and see how we do. How we do. So that's it for the video. This is my Hypebeast unboxing. The first, the biggest. I don't know. My next video, should I do 10 pairs of shoes? Or 15? 20? I don't know. Y'all let me know. Like I said, if y'all follow me on Twitter, y'all would know every single little detail. Everything about me that I like, that I do. What I collect, what I get, what I buy. You would know everything. Just follow me on Twitter. So all that info is going to be in the description below. So make sure y'all go follow me. Drop some likes on some of my pictures and, hit me up. I'll also post some of this stuff on Instagram, so you can follow me on Instagram as well. So I just barely started getting into Instagram. So big shout out to Jai, who told me to do a he's been bugging me to do a video of unboxing of sneakers. So I'm gonna give that boy a shout out. I know he's from the other side of the world, and he started doing his own little video collection of shoes and doing like reviews and upcoming news and stuff like that. He's starting, you know, he's doing pretty good. But, you know, big shout out to him. But anyways, just want to say thank you guys and gals for watching. I know this is a different video. I was going to upload the unboxing of Assassin's Creed or Mega Man 11, but you know what? I'll do those tomorrow. I'll do this tomorrow and check it out. So, like I said, 100, 200 likes, I'll give away the Yeezys. I know a lot of y'all young cats like Yeezys. Y'all not into Jordans. Y'all not into LeBrons. Because, you know, this generation, y'all like Yeezys. I don't know why. But me, I'm old school. I grew up in the Jordan era. So, I'm rocking Jordans. I'm rocking Nikes all damn time. Checks over stripes. I'm GT, signing out. And I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.
Jesus Christ, yeah. Checks over stripes, yeah. That's what I like, yeah. That's what we like, yeah. Lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like on Book.